Welcome to today's video. When you look at the moon at night, it's easy to forget just how important it is for life here on Earth. But the moon is far more than a pretty face. It's a key player in shaping our planet and making life possible. Today, we'll uncover the moon's vital role in influencing our oceans, stabilizing Earth's climate, and even shaping our history and culture. And for those wondering, what would happen if the moon disappeared? We've got you covered too. Let's dive in. The moon has been a constant companion to humanity throughout history. Ancient civilizations used it to track time and guide their agricultural practices. Did you know the Babylonians created lunar calendars over 3,000 years ago? These calendars became the foundation for some of the timekeeping systems we use today. But it wasn't just practical. The moon inspired countless myths and legends. In Greek mythology, the goddess Selene was said to ride across the night sky in a silver chariot. In Chinese folklore, the moon is home to Chang'e, the goddess of immortality, who lives there with her pet rabbit. Even in modern times, the moon has remained a symbol of mystery and romance. Poets and artists have drawn endless inspiration from its serene glow. But its role isn't just symbolic, it has a profound impact on our daily lives. The moon's gravitational pull creates one of nature's most fascinating phenomena: tides. Every day, oceans rise and fall because of the moon's influence. These tidal movements aren't just mesmerizing, they're essential for life. Coastal ecosystems depend on the rhythm of the tides, which bring nutrients and oxygen to marine life. But the moon does much more than control the tides. It keeps Earth steady. You might not realize it, but without the moon, Earth's axis would wobble wildly. This would cause extreme climate swings, making it nearly impossible for stable ecosystems to thrive. Thanks to the moon, Earth's seasons remain predictable, allowing life to adapt and flourish. And here's something incredible. The moon also affects biological rhythms. Many animals, from sea turtles to coral, time their reproductive cycles with the phases of the moon. Even humans are influenced. Our sleep patterns and mood can be subtly affected by its light. Isn't it amazing how something so distant can have such a close connection to us? The moon hasn't just shaped nature, it's also shaped humanity. Its beauty and mystery have inspired countless works of art, from Vincent van Gogh's paintings to Beethoven's famous Moonlight Sonata. But its role in science is just as monumental. In 1969, the Apollo 11 mission made history when humans set foot on the moon for the first time. This achievement wasn't just a technological milestone, it fundamentally changed how we view our place in the universe. And what about the future? NASA's Artemis program aims to return humans to the moon by 2025, with plans to build a sustainable lunar base. This base could serve as a stepping stone for missions to Mars and beyond. The European Space Agency is also working on its Moon Village project, envisioning an international hub for research and exploration. Meanwhile, private companies like SpaceX are getting involved too. Elon Musk plans to offer commercial moon trips in the near future, making space travel more accessible than ever. Imagine looking down on Earth from the moon. It's a perspective few have ever experienced. Now, let's ask the big question. What if the moon disappeared? Without the moon, Earth would lose its natural nightlight, but the consequences go far beyond that. Tides would weaken dramatically, disrupting marine ecosystems that depend on them. Many coastal species would struggle to survive. Even more alarming, Earth's axis would start to wobble uncontrollably, leading to chaotic climate changes. Summers could become unbearably hot, while winters turn into mini ice ages. Our planet's stability depends on the moon acting as a gravitational anchor. And what about humans? Many of our biological cycles are tied to the moon's presence. Without it, sleep patterns and circadian rhythms could be thrown out of sync, affecting health and well-being. The moon isn't just a companion, it's a protector, a guide, and a stabilizer. Before we wrap up, here are some fun facts about the moon you might not know. The moon is slowly drifting away from Earth by about 3.8 centimeters per year. In a few billion years, it'll be too far to cause tides as we know them today. The moon has moonquakes, similar to earthquakes, caused by the gravitational pull of Earth. It's not perfectly round, it's slightly egg-shaped. The moon is full of surprises, isn't it? The moon isn't just a beautiful feature of our night sky. It's an essential part of life on Earth. From controlling tides to stabilizing our climate and inspiring human creativity, it plays a role that we often take for granted. Thank you for watching this video by Professor AI. If you enjoyed it, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for more AI wisdom. Check out our other videos to uncover more fascinating and surprising facts. Professor AI at your service.